Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you a very important skill. This skill is used by different like institutes and schools and colleges. So the skill is how to create a custom certificate in Canva, and this is a very easy skill and you can just make a custom certificate in 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. So this is a good skill to work on. So let's get started. So guys, if you don't know about Canva and you don't know about what I am doing in this video, so go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section and search for the Canva designing course, and watch the playlist from the beginning so you can understand what Canva is and what I am doing in this video. So guys, here I write certificate. So certificate of completion, appreciation, certificate. So I click this one. So guys, it shows us different templates. So I click on create a blank certificate. So guys, let's search for some simple certificate, and I think this one is good. Yes. I want to change the font. Yeah, it's look good. I want to change the name, John Adam, and now change the colors. Yeah, it's look good. After that we write here V this is just a dummy text. So I write a dummy text in sports program and win the trophy. This certificate is basically for John Adam and for participating in sports program and win the trophy. So that's it. After that you also change the name of school president, like Henry, and college dean Emma. So I think it's look good, and let's check if there is any need of. So I think it's good. Guys, if you want to change the basic theme, then you can click on their template style and you can see it will change to different styles. So you have this opportunity to change the theme of the template. So this is the good feature of Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this skill and earn through Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. Guys, I have a request that go to my YouTube channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. There I uploaded different courses, complete courses like Pinterest marketing course, HTML complete course, Canva designing course, and in future I will upload different courses. So stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.